Hi everyone, I'm Corbin Wright and today we're going to unbox my Anthurium which I ordered from Plantify at the beginning of the lockdown period. So I ordered this plant at the beginning of the lockdown period and that was like 45 days ago I think. So it actually only arrived now because only essential things were allowed to be shipped. And they said that plants were not essential. I of course would want to disagree and say that plants are absolutely essential to my health. So this is the first time that I'm ordering something from Plantify online. Like the previous times I've always went into their store to go get some plants. Like if you remember, my first Anthurium Clarinervium was also from Plantify and I went into their store to get it, but this time I decided to get it in the post. Yeah, I'm extremely impressed with their packaging because sometimes when you order plants online, like the packaging isn't great, like the plants get damaged. So I'm really impressed with how secure it is. I can see that the plant is secure in there. So even if the box moved a bit in transit, it would still be fine. Yeah, so I'm really excited to get this open. So I'm just going to use my little letter opener, like I'm in the 1800s. Okay, just kind of over there. So these Anthurium Clarinerviums have actually been such a short supply in Cape Town or in the South African houseplant market. So when I saw it in stock on the website, I just absolutely jumped on it. And then my little plant is the velvet leaves. So let's get this I feel like a kid on Christmas morning opening presents. And there it is. So this will be my second Anthurium Clarinervium. Absolutely love this plant, like these leaves. So soft. So the plant looks super healthy, so I'm just gonna get this. Hi Gracie! Oh, you're gonna help me open up! Do you see what's inside? And this box is actually the perfect pet, cat play thingy. Do you want to play with the box? So cute, she looks to be inspecting the box the whole time. Yeah, so my plant looks super healthy, no damaged leaves. Really impressed with this. It's also nice and damp. Plant sellers obviously often water the plants before they pack them because they're not sure how long the plants will be in transit. So that's quite good. So I'm not going to water this again at the moment. I'm just going to dry out a bit and let my plants settle. And I was actually playing with the idea of putting it over here next to my other Anthurium Clarinervium. It's a really important venue and the box destroying begins. So I'm actually going to cut some holes in this box for her. It will entertain her for hours because she'll probably destroy it by tonight. So back to my plant, to the actual subject of this video. So Grace, you're being distracting. No, you're being distracting. You have to stop now. Come. No, stop it. Don't be like that. I'm doing a video. Okay, where was I? So when you receive plants in the post, right? What I always like to do is I actually like to let them settle into these surroundings. Stop it. I actually like to let them settle in. My video has been hijacked by a cat. So, I actually like to let my plants settle into their surroundings, you know, so this plant has been in a closed environment for some time, so I'm not going to expose it to too bright light. I'm just going to place it here in between my other plants so it can settle, it can acclimatize to the surroundings. Also to have it close to the humidifier, because I doubt that it would have had high humidity in the box. Yeah, so I mean, that's like a tip that you guys can use for other plants that you order online. So this plant is going to go in the same area over here where my other Anthurium Clarinervium is. I did do a full Anthurium Clarinervium a care video, which I'll put up in the video for you guys. They're extremely easy to care anthuriums. Like I said in my first video, actually, it's that when I got my first plant, I actually thought it was going to be a bit more of a difficult T-Vel plant, but actually it's not. It's extremely easy to care for. It's extremely similar to Anthurium Clarinervium. So yeah, I'm very excited for this new addition to my Anthurium collection. So just like a quick little care tip for your Anthurium Clarinervium is that they don't like direct sunlight, but they like bright filtered light. They don't like to be kept too moist or soggy. So just I water my plant about once a week. This plant I'm actually not going to water because it is quite damp at the moment, and I first want to see how it acclimatizes. It doesn't like to be bone dry, but just the top inch or so can be dried in between waterings. I really like Plantify. They carry a range of really trendy houseplants, so it's perfect if you're just starting out. I was also impressed by their customer service. I will put the link in the description of this video so you can go and have a look for yourself. And just by the way, this is not a paid for sponsored video. I actually paid for this plant myself. So let me know what plants you guys would like me to order next, and also remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up.